Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S? Coming here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with another prison one. Another prison song. This is the third one today. We're not getting one of a prison song today from Kartel. So, Kartel, back to life. Vybz Kartel, back to life. That one I jump about 11 years ago, dog. Kartel in prison 13 years. That one I jump about 11 years ago. Yeah, that one I jump a long time ago still. Take a look on the cover art. It's very interesting.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
But take a look at the picture. One side you have Vybz Kartel. See? We can clearly see that a Kartel. Who is this person here? Next side, we can see that is the great Malcolm X. This is Malcolm X. So, for those of you kids who don't know who Malcolm X is, we're going to go doing research on this great man. This great soul. May your soul rest in peace, sir. Produced by 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Records. You don't know. Digital distribution by 𝐸𝐸los. Big up 𝐸𝐸los. We're going to jump in the one on here where the teacher have to say. It's a prison song. But let's go. Throwback.
Yo, theater. Me want go. Me want go. Listen, you can't get pum a prison. A next man of your girl when you're missing. Stay far from war that a copper and lead. You can't get head when you're dead.
So all of the youth them were out there do badness. And feel say, yo, prisoner better rose. Someone are lucky if we don't even got prison. Someone are dead. On a tappy. On a cut down on the foolishness. Kartel they are sure and say, yo, prison is not a better rose. The man say, listen, you can't get pum a prison. You can't get it a prison. You see me? Yeah. And next man have your girl when you're gone, when you're dead, brother. Next man have your girl same with your dog. Yeah. So, stay out of prison, dog. Are you ready?
Yo, theater. Me want go.
You say want to go back to reality, back to life.
Me want go.
Let's go.
Listen, you can't get pum a prison. A next man of your girl when you're missing. Stay far from war that a copper and lead. You can't get head when you're dead. The food a shit, the bed a concrete. Sunday gleaner and me damn sheet.
The food a shit, brother. The bed a concrete. Sunday gleaner and damn sheet. Newspaper I'm a cover up with, brother. Newspaper I'm a cover up with. Him don't even have a sheet, brother. Him not have no sheet in there. That's how the G are telling us there. And I'm not joke this. Only need to looking at just looking at the lyrics and listen to the lyrics them, dog.
Dead, the food a shit, the bed a concrete. Sunday gleaner and me damn sheet. You can't sleep dead, me a warn you. I be a roach and rat a crawl upon you.
You can't sleep dead, you can't sleep comfortably, right as I tell you. You can't sleep on a Jane Lele water. And them type of sleep that you get rid of. Because first of all, you have other prisoners around you. You can't trust nobody in a prison. That's a number one. Second, you have roach and rat a crawl upon your dog. Yeah. You don't want that. You don't need that, my G. You see me?
You can't sleep dead, me a warn you. I be a roach and rat a crawl upon you. When the cage lock, you have to tug it up. In a them place, yeah, dirty like rubbish truck.
When the cage lock, when the water forward and do them run and fly, they sell them, bro. And sorry, lock up the sell them, bro. You have to tug it out, dog. You have to tug it out in that, brother, with other people in that same way. You have to be a G. If your man not bust your head skull, you know? Yeah, dog.
When the cage lock, you have to tug it up. In a them place, yeah, dirty like rubbish truck. Me just a pre-back, happy days memories. When me kids, when me wife, when me Benzes.
The boss miss everything. He miss everything. Him kids, him wife, him Benzes. First, before that him say, yo, in there so dirty like rubbish truck. Remember him don't tell you say, roach and rat a crawl pan you already in that.
Me just a pre-back, happy days memories. When me kids, when me wife, when me Benzes. Them place, yeah, make you know who your friends is. Make you know the real girl, them from the NCs.
Them place them make you know who your friends is. Make you know your real girl them from the... Basically, him a tell you say, yo, when you're in a trouble, when you're there them place there, you go see who really check for you, who really look out for you, who are go there for you. And how much? And that's the real one them. You see me? Yeah, dog.
Them place ya, make you know who your friends is. Make you know the real girl them from the NCs. If you a punk, if you're not no defenses. Bad man jailer, beat out your senses.
If you're a punk, brother. If you're an idiot, if you're a fool. If you're not no defense in that. Bad man jailer, beat out your senses, brother. The jailer them will beat you, dog. You can't grounds, bro. You can't ground certain things. Prison rule, bro. Prison rule different from outer road rule, dog. The prisoner them have them one rule in that. If you're not follow the rule, them are gonna brand you as a grounds or your grounds. So enough beating you gonna get.
If you a punk, if you're not no defenses. Bad man jailer, beat out your senses. The electric fences and the tall wall. Regular messy, man sit down and start ball.
You're cooped up. You're cooped up. The eye wall, the electric fence. There's nowhere to go. You're sitting down every day looking at that. That go mad. That go mash up your meds. That go mash up your meds. You see me? Regular MC, big man sit down and start ball.
The electric fences and the tall wall. Regular messy, man sit down and start ball. Society, there's so near, boy, you can't go. Every day, some me just a pray, say me want go.
Remember, you know, society, you know, just the right there, so, you know, dog, behind this wall, you know, bro. It's so near, but you can't go. You can't hear a car pass. You can't hear a beep, 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 beep. A beep all them on outside. You can't go out there. You have to stay in the confinement here. You say you have to there.
Society, there's so near, boy, you can't go. Every day, some me just a pray, say me want go. Me want go. Me want go. Me want go.
Not even sleep, you can't get that.
Listen, you can't get pum a prison. And next man have your girl when you're missing. Stay far from war that a copper and lead. You can't get head when you lock down for 23 hours. 1 hour split up in a 2 half hour. 15 for food and 15 for shower. Couple hour later, the next 30 minutes is
Yo, if you lock down for 23 hours, brother, that's gonna drive everybody insane, dog. 23 hours coop up? Eh? 23 hours? Coop up, dog? Can't do nothing, brother. 15 minutes to wash dirty clothes if you have none. 15 minutes. Now take 15 minutes to bed. 15 minutes to wash dirty clothes if you have none. Blood.
when you're missing. Stay far from war that a copper and lead. You can't get head when you lock down for 23 hours. 1 hour split up in a 2 half hour. 15 for food and 15 for shower. Couple hour later, the next 30 minutes is 15 for wash dirty clothes if you got none. 15 for look smokings for go lock down.
You hear that? 15 minutes for go look smokings, bill of spliff. What I meant, that the smoking there, so will get you through a lot of stress, bro. Keep your mind off of things for a lot for a longer time. So brother, 1 hour split up in a 2 half hour, brother. Each of them half an hour they split up in a 15 minutes. Wash dirty clothes, get weed, look food. You see me? Beard. That is it.
15 for wash dirty clothes if you got none. 15 for look smokings for go lock down. Real thugs no back down. Inna them place for you get a jammer stop. The medical a wait for you.
Get a jammer stab, the makeshift knife them, the makeshift weapon them where they make and file on and them thing there. Get a stab out of that, brother, the medical a wait for you.
Real thugs no back down. Inna them place for you get a jammer stop. The medical a wait for you. The victim surrender. Why the fuck up the offender? So who are the real winner?
Nobody now win. So if you do the stabbing, why they go fuck you up? If you get the stab, medical a wait for you. Nobody now win in this situation, yeah.
Yo, the victim surrender. Why the fuck up the offender? So who are the real winner? Long time me don't eat a real dinner. Meal in a fuck up, so me smuggle some rum through the steel window.
Long time him don't eat a real dinner, brother. Meal in a mess up, fuck up, mash up. Long time him don't eat a real dinner, so him do. Him smuggle some rum through the steel window.
Long time me don't eat a real dinner. Meal in a fuck up, so me smuggle some rum through the steel window. Just to get me appetite happy, right? You know, prison have a code, but zip not you code. Like.
So the rum, I gonna make him get an appetite, dog. That's why I need the rum in there. The rum I gonna make him get an appetite to stomach himself to try and eat that food, yeah. You see me? Listen to the next part now.
Just to get me appetite happy, right? You know, prison have a code, but zip not you code.
Prison have a code, but zip not your code. Remember me don't tell you from earlier and say, yo, the laws in prison different from outside in the dog. The rules and regulation different in your can't grounds, you know. Prison have a code, but zip it. Shh. Can't tell another code there. and a phone code that. You see me? A prison code. Why?
That just forget my appetite, happy right, you know. Prison have a code, but zip not you code. Like my father, me want do road. So
like my father, me want do road. Big up, golly God. Like, do road and boy get dash overboard. Do road and cut like a samurai sword. Let me say, like my father, me want do road.
Like you know, prison have a code, but zip not you code. Like my father, me want do road. Society, let me out back on you road. Me want go.
Society, let me out back on your road. Me want go back to life.
Me want go. Me want go.
Life and death are the same.
Alright, down to see what go on. So, all of the man them out there, we do the crime them. I don't want to do the time them. When time a time for do the time, if you don't get killed, someone will go dead. Someone will end up in prison. You better make sure say, you can do the crime. You can do the time, you can do the crime, you can do the time. Alright? So yeah. Big up Cartel and the Privy Council result yesterday when him get. That is a win for Cartel and him team. Let's see where it goes from here pertaining to the state of Jamaica justice system. If them want to do a retrial, let's see what go on. If them want to do it to manslaughter and say, all right then, manslaughter 11 years, you do 13 years already, all right, do road. You see me? All right, if you want to do a retrial, the retrial probably not going to start till 4, 5, 6 years anyway. You're going to let out the Jeep and bail, or go on there. So we want to know. So we are here patiently waiting on the next move from the justice system at Jamaica, because right now it's gonna become a chess move right now, a chess game between Cartel lawyer them and Parla and Fair team. You see me? So we are gonna sit down and listen and wait patient if we find out what going on with fingers crossed. You hear that? But I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.